one thing I want to work on is the greens in the image. For me, they're just a little bit bright, a little bit yellow, a little bit fluorescent looking. So I want to see if I can address that. So there are a couple of options here under the HSL and color panel. First of all, I will try to remove some yellow from the image, and hopefully without affecting her hair. That's a little bit yellow, and I'm going to check that just to make sure that it looks okay. I think it does. This allows you to see your before and after. And then I'm going to hit the green, and I'm probably just going to, let me try desaturating it a little bit. That takes out a little more of that strong yellow appearance. Let's see. That actually darkens it a bit, which I like. Makes it look a little richer, I think. So let's compare where we were. You can see how that was pretty yellow, and now it's looking more green and a little toned down. So I'm glad for that.